it's a not hot water in the house. And so
yep, it's old, it's corroded. Us seeing that it's not draining tells us, you know, that it's got lots of buildup in it already. It's time for it to be replaced. You know, and then we got water line here that's corroded all the way to the top. So, you know, we could be lazy and do it like that, but we're not going to do that. We're going to come all the way up, replace this entire line brand new with copper. We'll do the same thing on this line so it looks new and pretty. We'll reconnect the flue pipe down to the tank. This will be the exact same piping. And
expansion tank will need to be installed per code.
Yep, it'll be installed up to the IPC. So we'll have an expansion tank, a ball valve. We'll have everything we need, our proper transitions to prevent electrolysis. And we'll tie the propane back together how they had it on there.
Sweet. So what do we got going on here?
Well, we just put in a new 50-gallon propane water heater for this gentleman here. And if you can look, this house is quite large. So there's a very long run going down to the upstairs bathroom. So one of his biggest problems is he was getting low pressure in his hot line. So basically what happened, he had a whole old water heater. The dielectric union was basically corroded shut. We could have replaced that, but the water heater itself was old, so the customer decided to just replace the water heater. This is a solution for people where the water takes a long time to get there. This is called a recirculating pump. What this does, it recircs the water that has cooled down in your hot line and puts it back into the tank to get heated up. So it puts new, fresh, hot water in that line. So whenever you go to turn on the faucet, hot water comes out in like 2 seconds. It's great. But you can see here these, if you want to go and get a look at that, they have dip switches so you can set it to when it's on and when it's off, or you can just have it work on the entire time. But if you're getting, you got that? If you're getting a minute, 45 seconds to a minute to get hot water, this is a great solution for you. And they're pretty simple install. So it's not going to be, a lot of time in your house. We can do this pretty quick. So.